What's up guys, this is Drive With Me and I'm back with another video guys. And right now is 6 a.m. in Los Angeles guys, and I'm going to drive by Skid Row and 5th Street and homeless areas. Basically I'm going to drive you guys to downtown Los Angeles. I don't know you heard or not, which is city of LA passed this law that going to remove tents and homeless people, and is kind of ban the putting tent in the streets, and especially in some areas like schools and park and libraries. So I don't know guys, but right now is kind of deadline for all these tents, but what I heard is not going to be kind of forced yet, but let's go and see what's happened. Thank you so much guys for supporting. Guys, my channel blew out when I a few years ago when I filmed the homeless area, and I'm glad that this video brings some awareness about what's happening in Los Angeles, and hope our city get cleaner, better, and also I hope the city can solve the problem for homeless people. So let's go and see what's happening. Let's go and see early morning Saturday. Actually today is Saturday, 6 o'clock. Let's go and see what's happening in downtown Los Angeles. And please share this video, comment, like, and if you're watching this for first time, please subscribe to my channel because I'm the best driver in YouTube. Thank you guys, see you later. So usually in this area we could find some homeless tent, but seems there is no tent yet, which is good news. Oh, there is one. Okay, well. So guys, you still see tents, but I'm feeling that is less than before. I don't know, but kind of I don't know what's happened to Los Angeles, guys, and I've been in different states and different cities in USA, but the most is like in LA you can see this much of homeless people, and I don't know, but in my experience last 10 years that I'm living in US and in Los Angeles, guys, what I saw, the most of these homeless people, they're kind of the problem they have is mental problem and drugs, because like in other countries that I experience and live, like if you have that issues like mental issues, there's mental hospitals, and if you have kind of drug problem, also there is some centers that they keep this drug addicts and helping them, giving them jobs, but I don't know, this is crazy. So I don't know, guys, if you know why, is kind of depend on politics or because LA is expensive. But in meantime, like I'm thinking like there is lots of rich people and we are in heart of Hollywood and people is paying tax, and I don't know, we should not have like money problem for homeless people to make like mental hospital or mental camping somewhere that they can be there. And yeah, there is still, unfortunately, I don't know, guys, it's just so sad. Even like I'm living in LA and I know some of the route, but it just not make sense for me to see something like this. So guys, we are in September 2021 and still there is homeless issues, and there is skid row, there is tents, there is people here. But guys, what I can tell you, the California government is not really good. So I can tell you that, like, to see all this kind of stuff, and not only homeless issue, like lots of things that as a 10 years resident I see from experience from California, guys. This is not acceptable, and that shows us how the mayor is working, how political people is working here. Seems they are not doing well. Oh, this guy. So, but guys, if you know more than me, or you can just comment below and let me know why California is doing bad, I will be appreciated, and I can educate myself.